Your day changes every day. First thing you wake up in the morning, you have a whole new day. This is a new opportunity to start your day anew. I always start my day in the spirit. Therefore, I believe in God, and you start yours however you choose. But I'm going to say start it in the spirit because this way you're having a connection to the Lord. You're having a connection to the energy that is good, that is creating, that is flowing. And by doing this, for me, I'm going to tell you what I do, but I set my plan. My plans, my goals, my desires all start first thing in the morning. And I've learned to do this over the years for the fact that I learned that when I start my day in the right, in the spirit, in the morning, with gratitude for all that I have now, for all that is coming, for all that is manifesting for me every day, I know that my plans, my goals, and my desires are on board and in line to manifest. So, however you choose to do your morning is your choice. If you get up first thing in the morning and you're grumpy, you're complaining, and you're saying, oh my gosh, not another day, I have to go to the job. If you start your day in any form of that at all, you're starting your day in the negative. And what that does is you're just coming out of alpha sleep. You're just coming out of a deep sleep where your subconscious mind is still active. So if you're waking up in the morning and that is your thoughts, that is your projection, that is what your subconscious mind will bring to you. I'm sure you can relate to this, and I'm sure you can see this as being a truth of saying, you know what? I did this to myself and I've made this happen. So let me change how this is going to work. Let me change this action. So by living in the spirit and by starting your day in the right way, I'm going to give you the steps that I use. And I know a lot of high earners are using the same steps I do. And they have been using them for years, as I have. So I always start my day in a gratitude affirmations to start my routine. Thank you for my toothpaste. Thank you for the hot water in my shower. Thank you for my comfortable bed. Thank you for my comfortable blankets. Thank you for my house. Whatever you want to do. I always start my day being grateful for what I already have. Then I go on to self-help, like reading. You can read for 15, 20 minutes. You can make each step in this routine as long or as short as you choose. I know some people that will do it for 10 minutes, each step, 10 minutes. Okay, and that's like an hour. Some people I know will do it for more. I do mine according to what my vibration is for that day. Some days I may do extra gratitude. There's some days I may do extra reading, like inspirational, motivational, that type of thing. Something, biographies from old time that have success stories attached to them. Oh my gosh, I love those books. And then I write. I write my goals. I write my plans. I write my intentions. I write them in my journal of what I plan to do, what my focus is, and where I'm going. If you don't know where you're going, then you're not getting there. You're going to be led by unknown forces. That's not cool. And I meditate. I meditate for at least 10 to 20 minutes, depending, like again, each one of these is depending on where I'm at in that day. So I meditate, clear my mind, get myself focused, get myself centered. Do a little exercising. You can do a little yoga, some stretching, whatever it is to get your body moving a little bit. Very important. So and then last of all, I do this. This is something I do throughout my entire day. So these 5 steps are a given. These are a principle of doing every day. Do them in whatever order fits your schedule, whatever order fits you, whatever order you choose to do them in. There's just something about these 5 steps of gratitude, reading, writing, meditation, exercise, eat something, get a bite to eat, whatever it is. There's something about these steps that just resonate and start a day and start a morning and start a lifestyle the way you didn't even think it was going to happen. It just comes out so good. So, but one thing I do all throughout my day is I do deep, calm breathing throughout my day. For whatever reason, maybe I'll just need to take a breath. It feels so good to deep breathe and relax. If you use this routine, like again, choose the steps you want to do them in. Start your day in a mindset of where you want to go. Start yourself in a mindset of what your end result is. Again, there are people that are using these systems and strategies and have been for years and years. And I'm just going to drop some names here. Tony Robbins uses these steps. Joe Dispenza uses these steps. Those are just a couple of names that have used these steps throughout history. Also, Napoleon Hill wrote books on these steps. Exactly. Use these steps because as an entrepreneur, you're constantly growing, you're constantly changing. And as an entrepreneur, you probably have this attitude of don't quit, don't give up. It's all working out for me.